amigos, Swaddy Cop. Welcome back to the channel. Texas Russ coming to you from sunny Thailand for the first leg of Thailand Bike Trip 2.0.
We're on a mission from God.
Today we're leaving Pattaya and headed to Udon Thani to pick up a camera I broke on my last trip back in January. We'll check out anything and everything along the way that may be interesting, so buckle up and come along for the ride. Our first stop along the trip is Poon Suk Resort in Prachinberry, about 4 hours outside of Pattaya, at the edge of Khao Yai National Park. Let's check out the accommodations. All right, folks. Just about to wrap up day one of my new epic motorcycle journey across Thailand, version 2.0. Call it that because I got some new gear that I'll be going over with y'all here in a little while. Anyway, I found this little place on Agoda called Poon Suk Resort in Prachinberry, which is about 4 hours from my home in Pattaya. It's adequate. It's little cabins. They have air conditioner, there's a shower, and a clean bed, which is all I need. I don't need entertainment. I don't care about TVs. They do have Wi-Fi, so I can set up my workstation and maybe get a little bit of work done. I don't plan on doing a whole lot. Don't have a whole lot. This kind of a boring ride to this point. I think I'm on the edge of the national parks, and tomorrow I should have the camera up on the handlebars and be able to get some pretty good footage passing through those national parks. If there's anything spectacular, I plan on stopping, and I can spend a day. I've got about 3 days left to get to Udon Thani, headed up there for a meeting and go pick up my camera that I broke on the last trip, because I'm an idiot. I'm a slow learner. It's the second time that camera fell off of the bike. So we use tethers now on top of the mounting brackets. So if the mounting bracket comes off the bike, the tether will still be attached to the mirror on the bike, so I won't lose the whole shooting match. The first time I didn't do any damage to the camera. When I was coming through Udon Thani last time, I was moving pretty fast. The cable tumbled, hit the ground, tumbled, and flew into pieces. And I was able to recover most of it. I had 3 days left on the warranty, and bought the camera in Pattaya, but I wasn't going to get back to there in the next 3 days. I didn't want to chance it. I didn't want to have to make a hard ride, so I left it at the big camera in Udon Thani. And they were really good about corresponding with me when I went back to USA. I was getting a few things done in USA, surgery, some legal stuff, and everything, so I can, continue migrating over here. And the people at Udon Thani at Big Camera, and the guy's name that I dealt with up there, his name was Big. I was joking about it, asking him if it was his shop. Anyway, I'll show you guys around the place a little bit. It's a pretty nice little place. The price is right. It was like $15.80, something like that. 540 baht, whatever that conversion rate comes to. So it came in just under $16 for the night. Like I said, cold air, Wi-Fi, clean sheets, and a shower. And yeah, if I can do that less than 20 bucks in Thailand, I'm real happy. So I've actually had much better accommodations at 15 bucks. I'm not going to fuss about this. It's quiet. It is now. You might be able to hear some of the wildlife screaming out here. We got these wild birds and stuff, and I can hear whatever that one is that screams all the time, and I hear some dove. But anyway, I'll walk you guys around this place and let you take a look. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly walk around the place, and then I'll show you guys the inside of the room. And I've already got on my comfortable shoes. I wear these, yeah, that's part of my 2.0 series, is my new Texas boots. I'm not one to come to a different country and wave my flag around, but I do want to represent Texas when I'm here and do that in a good way. And yeah, we need to talk about that. Americans, come over here and let's be nice to these people. Some of you guys never got any attention from the ladies before, and now they're all swooning over you, and it's kind of gone to your head, and you act like clowns and make us all look bad. So knock that off, please. Show you guys a little bit of the property out here.
You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart.
Back when I was in high school, this was kind of my dream, is to own something like this and make it a fun place so everybody wanted to come out here and hang out. Have a grill going every evening, acoustic guitars. Hey, who knows? I may end up with something like this when I get settled in over here. How many people would come visit me over here if I had a place like this set up so that all my friends from Texas could come out here and have their own cabins and hang out for a week or 2 weeks and play a little music, grill some food out there on the barbecue. That would be cool. All right, so we're back at the cabin, and hopefully it's cooled off just a little bit. It's not unbearable. Let's say it is December, so. So on the inside, like I say, nothing fancy. Okay. Bathroom's still nice and hot. Okay. Sink, crappy A, bum gun, shower, and nice big shower. Never run out of hot water with those heaters. And we have a little back porch. No chairs. That's cool though. I guess I'm gonna go head back into town and see what kind of food I can go find. Google Maps is great for that. Just look on restaurants, probably Thai food, and KFC at Lotus, more than likely. So I'll go find something and get in here, get my shower, and start to relax for the day. Maybe get a little bit of this editing done. This is like a full-time job now. Video just a little bit, edit a whole lot. So I'm getting better at it. Plus I'm building a library full of my fantastic sound effects. I know you guys are loving that. I'm getting some good comments about them. Anyway, so one more thing on the day one recap. Right off the bat, before I was on the road even 10 minutes, got hit in the chest with a bug that stung me immediately and felt like somebody put out a cigarette right here on my chest, and I had to pull over because I didn't know if the thing went down my shirt. It was going to continue to sting me or what, but yeah, when your trip starts out like that, less than 10 minutes down the road, you get stung by something. I still feel it. It's been, it's been a full day, so it's not unbearable. But obviously, and luckily, I'm not allergic to anything that could have been a showstopper. Anyway, on to the chuck wagon. And so ended day one with dinner and a quick shower before bed. Early the next morning, we were back on the road to Udon Thani. Next stop down the road was Khon Kaen, where we had a little issue with the accommodations, but we'll save that story for a little later. For now, we'll have to leave this one right here. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to be notified for the next video. And as usual, thank you for watching.